Morning everybody. So we got to make a quick stop before we head out to the airport today, then on to Fort Collins. Let's go flying. Why are we at Walmart first thing? We saw those socks, so.
No, I don't want it. It's jewelry.
That is super crazy, but I am actually buying this right now. You have no idea how excited I am. My kids are gonna love it. Chalk that up as a major win this morning. I like these socks too. Alright, so why the big bear costume? My boy, when he was a baby, got a little, you know, Snuggles, the little fabric softener bear. He got a little like hand puppet Snuggles bear, and he calls him Baby. And I started doing this nighttime routine with him, where Baby, you know, I'd use Baby as the puppet and tell stories, baby stories, you know. Of course, Baby's from the South, and he's, you know, probably about 100 years old. Thinks he invented everything, so Baby's got stories for days. So saw that costume there and it looked just like Baby. So Baby's gonna come to life tonight. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm running late again. Why am I always late? Anyways, we'll see you at the airplane. Ten minutes here. Chad's gonna get the APU fired up. I'm flying today. Focus there. All right. Not quite sure when we're coming home. So the plan for the day is sit around and wait all day. So far the new job's going great. I really love it. The people are just amazing. It's an excellent company. I'm super pumped to be here. There's not a, I mean, flying's flying. There's not a ton of differences between 91 and 135. The one nice thing about 135 as far as duty times go is you are limited to 14 hours. Now I've never done a 14-hour day here. In theory, Part 91 operators, they could run you 16, 17-hour duty days. These guys are good about that. They don't want us doing anything unsafe. Very safety-oriented company. I mean, I really hit the jackpot, I guess, coming here. Being back in Logan, super nice too. I missed the mountains. I didn't really when I was in Ohio, but it's nice having them again. Chad just fired up the APU.
Remarks. Logan Cache Airport, Logan, Utah. Automated weather observation.
Now this is gonna break a lot of your hearts. I don't think I'm filming any of the flying today. Still new at the company. Just wanna like chill on that footage for a minute. Don't hate me for that. It will be back, I promise. I don't have my suction cup anyways. It's packed somewhere. I'll talk to you there. Oh, hello. All right, so we made it to Fort Collins. Kind of busy day down here. Fort Collins is always a zoo because it's uncontrolled and there's a lot of general aviation traffic. So trying to fit in is kind of a pain, but it worked out very nicely today. We were able to slip right in, but look at this bush league on the parking job here. That's terrible. That's embarrassing. All right. Oh, hello, focus. All right. You know, people like, why is that exciting? Why you just sit around and wait? Like, oh, it's so boring. Well, I like that part of corporate flying. Well, that was just... That didn't sound good. Jeez, that didn't sound good. This is the junkiest car ever. So, this has been the story of my life today. Just lounging it up. Watching some football. And we'll fly back to Logan. I'm really sorry about that first vlog saying I'm back. That one was just bad. That was so bad. So hopefully the next ones are better.